I'm here at Fonferek Glen in, I think it's De Pere, Wisconsin.
In Green Bay.
I think it's in De Pere.
Bellevue,
whatever, same thing. We got some animal tracks. We're here looking for a frozen waterfall. I've been here another time. I'm not in the correct shoes for this weather or snow. Got a nice looking tree stick fort right here. Would call that a teepee, but I don't know if it's meant to be one. And I want to be accurate. The waterfall here freezes every year as long as it gets cold enough. There's a lot to see here. There's actually a cliff that we're walking away from. Do you want to go see the cliff?
well, that's what I need.
Actually, no, you went the wrong way, I think. Oh, look, there's deer tracks. I'm getting snow in my sweatpants. It's, I think it's like 19 degrees or something.
Uh-oh.
Just watch where you walk.
Well, do you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
Oh, shit.
Other
sure we should be walking on this?
Other people were just walking on it. I'm here with my boyfriend.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'm heavier than you, so I should be the one who's worried. Well, the cliff is that way. The cliff is that way. Well, when we checked earlier, it was like -7 degrees Celsius, so whatever that is in Fahrenheit. Last time I checked, it was like 19 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't know what that is, so. Oh,
There's
that
ice.
that wasn't ice, I just went through a big pile of snow. Oh, you can hear the water. If you can hear that. Okay, be careful here. The water isn't extremely deep. What did you do?
Found the thin ice.
Hey, I would suggest staying more towards the middle then.
So the stuff that looks like that is thin ice. There's not even ice cream and stuff on it.
Oh, we can see the cliff.
Whoa. Look at that.
Snow and water ASMR, am I right? We saw people earlier who were walking in snowshoes. There were 2 other cars here when we got here. It's kind of located in the middle of nowhere at someone's barn. There's a drop. Don't walk right there, I think you'll fall through.
I mean, I don't think you can fall through.
Well, yeah, I know.
Let's walk on the snow part over here.
Okay, please don't touch me. Gonna have some nice hot chocolate when we go home. Can you help me down, please? Okay, never mind, I got it.
Careful, don't trip there.
Yeah, someone probably fell through the ice right there.
Let's walk where everyone else is walking, so we don't trip.
Oh, hi there, Branch.
I was my face on that.
This is fun.
cold.
No, it actually isn't that cold.
Colder yesterday. Holy crap.
There it is.
Like
Did they get rid of the graffiti?
I don't remember the graffiti.
There was graffiti. Oh, that's
How did it get done?
I don't know, other people got done. Whoa, look at that. Over there.
What?
Oh, right there.
Okay,
Doesn't that look cool?
I guess.
Whoa, I just almost fell. There's icicles. I don't think that's the smartest way to get down. That's a lot of ice. But if you want to try, be my guest.
I also want to jump, man.
I'm not jumping. I don't think that's a smart thing to do.
Step right here.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up.
We don't need to get back up. We just walk the other way. Come on.
Okay. Can you help me?
One foot there, one foot here.
Oh, jeez.
Keep going. Just imagine when that's gonna fall and collapse.
Yeah. Let's think of the worst. This is solid. Big chunk right there. Yeah, big chunk.
Cool. Look how it's just being held up in between like that Y-shaped branch. All the way down.
Don't think it's smart to be jumping on ice. Almost slipped. More tracks. Tiny tracks. Oh, big thing of snow. More tracks. Oh.
What is the deer trap?
You're going on the path less traveled on. Oh my god.
Careful.
I know.
That's why I'm going this way, you doof.
I'm going where people have walked. People who probably have big feet and long legs. I just got a ton of snow in my shoe.
Well, that's what
I just had a heart attack.
Make sure you're pointing at where you're walking. Okay, let's go this way.
Okay. I just felt safer walking where people have already walked.
Well, let's keep going this way. Let's keep walking fast. Now we're back where people have walked. Please, wait.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, my foot just got caught. This is safe. Oh, oh, shit. Maybe we should walk up there.
I don't think this is the way towards the waterfall.
Oh, I'm gonna keep walking. Oh, that's not safe to step on. This is, I think. Maybe we should find a way back up.
Well, there's a way back up right there. That's where people walked.
Where?
Right there.
There?
Yeah, right there.
I just want to move the place. Oh, shit. Don't step where I'm stepping. You're gonna fucking shove me over. I literally don't know where to go from here. There's a rock right here.
Right there.
But that looks like thin ice.
People walk there.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Okay. Oh, jeez. This is not safe.
Yeah, looks like no one's walked over there, so let's not go there. Oh, babe. I'm gonna fall. Don't come here. Oh. God, I fucking punched a rock on accident.
I noticed how someone made a rope
Where?
with a tree.
That doesn't, there's no oh, shit. Are you gonna be able to do this?
I can try.
Hopefully it doesn't break. Oh my god, it worked.
Take my phone.
I can't.
Why not?
Can you pause it and put it in your... Oh, you're insane. Now literally pull yourself up.
Okay.
I had to bring your purse.
Well, I wasn't gonna leave it in the car. How did you do this?
Make sure your feet, where your feet are placed, is where there's support. Pull yourself up.
My foot is...
See where your hand is? That rock right there?
Yeah?
Put your foot there. Your right foot.
I'm stuck. My foot is in between the two branches. Oh, jeez. Some entertainment. Okay.
Grab my hand if you have to. Pull yourself up. Keep going. Keep going. Don't let go.
Oh my god.
Get away from the
I
edge.
did it.
You good?
No. It was entertaining. I'm out of breath. I'm never gonna do rock climbing.
Tree rope was pretty cool.
What?
That tree rope was pretty cool.
Whoever did that was clever.
Or maybe nature just left it there. And we're back up.
This is still the opposite way of the waterfall.
Why are you going this way?
Because you brought us this way.
What is that? Is that a woodpecker?
No, that's a tree.
Does that mean it's gonna fall? Let's not walk here because it sounds like it's gonna frickin' snap in like any moment. It should be cool to get on video, but I'd rather not die.
I think that's an over-exaggeration. My hands are cold now.
The way back?
Yes, I'm sure.
That's all the way over there then.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe that leads to the waterfall.
It doesn't. I've been here a million times. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna cut until there's something interesting. Okay, so there's like a ledge right there. I'm gonna walk over it. More ledges. You can see the ice right there. See through it. Oh, someone made a smiley face? Sorry. We're almost to the waterfall. I really need some hot chocolate. That's really cool how shiny the footprints are. Ooh. Just slid a little bit. I'm gonna walk more in the snow. Hey, dog footprints. Oh, there's a nice ledge right there. But I want to walk on the path less traveled on. Get it? Birch tree. What? We keep going straight. You know, it's hard to believe you've been here before. Almost there. is. Ledge. There's a bunch of holes in the ice. I feel like I'm walking so carelessly. The snow is really, or not the snow, the ice is really yellow and nasty.
Where did everyone else walk? Someone that way.
Right there.
This way. Looks like this one.
It's not as snow covered as it was last year.
Now I wouldn't walk anywhere near the center.
Yeah.
Stay along the anchor here.
Ew, someone peed right there. Oh, that's slushy. Oh, you can see that's like cracked right there, I think, or leaking.
Huh?
Nothing. Oh,
Please don't slip.
I won't.
Oh, careful, there's a bunch of like broken icicles right here. This is kind of cool. It's like art.
Crunchy. Oh, there's probably like a crack right there. Oh, whoa. You gonna go behind?
Yep.
I'm too clumsy where I'm probably not gonna be able to get behind there, but I see how slippery the ice is. The ice isn't that slippery.
I don't think it's possible to get up there.
Well, probably not, no. Smells like minerals.
No. Oh, shit. Nope.
What? Oh,
We should get up there. That's where we started.
well, I mean, you're kind of like standing in my way.
I'm gonna try to get up here without dying. You stay down there.
Don't tell me what to do.
I don't even want to get up there.
I wouldn't. Can hear the water dripping, so you can see it.
Whoa, what was that?
I think that was an icicle breaking.
That's cool.
I don't know if you can hear that on camera. What?
Stuff's falling from the sky. Helicopters are falling. I need like a rock or something. Let me throw a rock.
Yeah, please don't throw a rock.
Alright, get this up here. I'm gonna aim for one of those icicles.
Please don't.
Why? It's good for entertainment, right?
That did so much.
Yeah, collateral damage.
Emotional damage.
Stupid idiot.
You're not gonna be able to break that. That's too thick.
Thick. What's not thick then? Oh, that was cool.
That's very dangerous. Please don't do this.
What?
I said please.
It's not dangerous. It's entertaining.
It's literally ice chunks flying towards me, and I saw that.
It's gonna be fun. Oh, there goes the rock. Oh, it'd be cool if we could get up there.
No, it wouldn't be.
I mean, look, it looks like there's a path. It's perfectly made. Hey, look, at least there'd be graffiti there. You can see that. There should be a peace sign, it looks like. How do you get rid of graffiti? Or does nature just do it?
Nature.
Did you get all that? Did you get all that?
Yes, I've got it.
Let's show where we came from.
We came from all the way up there. Pretty sure I put my phone on Do Not Disturb, but people are still calling me anyways.
You could literally just climb up if you wanted to.
Yeah, let's not. No one's walked up there, so that means it's not safe.
Alright, are we going back then?
Yeah, let's head back. I will start recording again once we get to the path. Well, something peed or dumped a can or something right there. That's disgusting.
Be careful where you put your feet. On that rock.
Okay, can you help me then?
Not from here.
I'm very clumsy.
You take that first step at first.
Okay.
Stick up here.
We're gonna come back.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you just stepped in more of it.
Yep.
When the snow melts, hopefully.
Looks like we're breaking in, but...
Yeah, it looks like it. This is literally how you get in off. Oh, can you take my phone, please? Oh, jeez. Here. I would be...
If you trip and fall, it'll be funny.
I'll probably die. Okay. This is literally how you get in. And it's not breaking in. This place is somewhere you can explore. There's paths. There's paths and everything, but like, this is how you get into the park. The sun is setting. This is where we walked from. Here's the waterfall. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Explore Wisconsin, if I make this a thing. We just got back in the nice warm car. Hope you guys enjoyed Fonferek Park. It was a blast. We'll be back here once the snow melts, and it'll be nice, and the waterfall will be going and everything, and it'll be nice and warm. The next place we're gonna probably try to go to is I forgot the name of it, but there's like stone buildings that are like
Decrepit and stuff.
Yeah, they're like decrepit. And it's a place we can go to. It's not abandoned or anything, but we'll probably do that once the snow melts and everything, because it'll be easier to go to and it'll look better. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video.